Welcome to this lesson. Today we will learn about the word activity. This is a simple and important word in English. Let us begin. What is activity? Activity is something you do. It can be anything. When you move or work or play, that is activity. Activity means doing. It is about action. When you are not sitting still, you are doing an activity. Work is activity. Play is activity too. Let us look at some examples. Children playing in the park is an activity. A person reading a book is an activity. Someone cooking food in the kitchen is also an activity. There are many activities around us. Physical activity means moving your body. Walking is a physical activity. Running is a physical activity. Dancing and jumping are also physical activities. These activities make your body strong. Mental activity means using your mind. Reading is a mental activity. Thinking is a mental activity. Solving puzzles is also a mental activity. These activities make your brain strong. Leisure activity means fun things you do in your free time. Watching movies is a leisure activity. Painting is a leisure activity. Playing games is also a leisure activity. These activities help you relax and enjoy. Work activity means things you do at your job or school. Typing on a computer is a work activity. Talking to people is a work activity. Writing and teaching are also work activities. These activities help you finish your tasks. Activity is everywhere in our lives. We do activities every day. Cooking breakfast is an activity. Walking your dog is an activity. Studying for a test is an activity. We cannot live without activities. There is a difference between active and inactive. When you are active, you are doing something. You are moving or working. When you are inactive, you are not doing much. You are sitting or resting. Both are important, but we need more activity to stay healthy. Activity helps your health. When you do activities, your body becomes strong. Your heart works better. Your mind becomes happy. Activity is very good for you. How often do you have activity? Do you do activities every day? Or do you do them sometimes? It is good to do some activity every day. Even a little activity is helpful. At school, there are many activities. Reading books is an activity. Writing in your notebook is an activity. Playing with friends during break time is also an activity. School is full of activities. At home, you also do many activities. Cleaning your room is an activity. Cooking with your family is an activity. Playing with your pet is an activity. Home activities are part of daily life. Outside your home, there are more activities. Gardening in your yard is an activity. Running in the park is an activity. Riding your bicycle is an activity. Outdoor activities are fun and healthy. Activity is fun. When you do activities, you can enjoy yourself. You can smile and laugh. You can spend time with friends. Activity makes life interesting and happy. There are words related to activity. The word active means full of energy and doing things. The word action means the act of doing something. An active person is someone who does many activities. Activity time is the time when you do activities. We can use activity in sentences. Here are some examples. I do activity every day. Activity keeps me healthy. These sentences show how to use the word activity. What activities do you like? Do you like sports? Do you like reading? Do you like music or games? Everyone has different favorite activities. Think about what you enjoy. Is activity a verb? No, activity is not a verb. Activity is a noun. A noun is a word for a thing or an idea. Activity is the name of something you do. The verbs related to activity are words like do and play. You do an activity. You play games. These verbs show the action, but activity itself is a noun. What is the difference between activity and action? Activity is something you do. It is a noun. Action is also the act of doing something. Action can be a noun or a verb. They are similar but not exactly the same. Let us think about a daily activity routine. In the morning, you wake up. That is an activity. You eat breakfast. You go to work or school. You play or exercise. At night, you sleep. All of these are activities in your daily routine. Why is activity important? Activity is important for your health. It makes you happy. It helps you learn new things. It gives you energy. Without activity, life would be boring. Activity with friends is special. When you do activities with friends, you have more fun. You can talk and laugh together. Playing sports or games with friends makes the activity better. Activity in nature is wonderful. Hiking in the mountains is an activity. Walking in the park is an activity. Being in nature while doing activities makes you feel calm and happy. Activity and rest are both important. Activity means moving and doing things. Rest means relaxing and being still. You need both. After activity, your body needs rest. After rest, you are ready for more activity. How can you start doing more activity? Start with small steps. Choose activities that are fun for you. Try to do some activity every day. It does not have to be hard. Even a short walk is good. Activity helps you grow. It makes your body strong and healthy. It makes your mind smart and sharp. When you do activities, you become a better person. Activity is important for growing. Let us remember what we learned. Activity is something you do. It means moving and taking action. Activity can be work or play. It is fun and it is good for you. Do activities every day and enjoy life. Thank you for learning with me today. Now you know the word activity. Keep active and enjoy learning. See you next time. Goodbye.